Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this exciting product, Chiao Level 2 EV Charger. It's a fast EV charging up to 40 amps and 240 volts. This has a 2.8-inch LCD display. So let's check this out. Carrying case here. This is a heavy-duty charger. Very high quality with the thick cables. Comes with a user manual. This is very common 240 volt plug. It's called the NEMA 1450 plug. This is a wall mount, so you can attach it to the wall. But I want to keep this as a portable charger, so I can put this in my car. From this plug, you plug this in. Make sure you line up these lines and push it, and it locks. So unlock, twist this, and pull it. This comes with a 25 feet long charging cable. It's a flexible charging, so you can charge it anywhere. The overall length is 8.07 meters, 25 feet. It comes with an automatic temperature control system. When it reaches 85 degrees, it will automatically adjust the charging current to maintain optimal charging power. So this is J1772 plug. Look at that. So this is different than the Tesla chargings for non-Tesla charging, which is J1772. With this charger, you can plug it into Type 2 or CCS2. So this is not compatible with Teslas, but any other EVs that accepts J1772, you can use the app or manual adjustment using this thing. This can last in a hot temperature up to 122 Fahrenheit and negative 22 Fahrenheit. IPX6 waterproof, IK10 anti-collision, FCC certified, lightning protection, grounding protection, overcharging protection, under voltage protection, overheat protection, leakage protection, overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, and flame retardant protection. Safe EV charging at home. So let me show you. I'm gonna plug it into my car. It says NEMA 1450. Okay, and you just plug it in. So that's the display. So this one comes with a Velcro. So this is my Porsche TAYCAN that accepts J1772. So let's open it up. So look at the plug. So I'm gonna plug it in. Now it's charging about 40 amps and the speed is amazing. It's a 9.1 kilowatts that is pumping into Porsche Taycan, and that's the voltage, 233. Green light, zero errors, charging at an incredible speed. It tells me the speed, it's very fast, coming in at 8.5 kilowatts per hour. App is called Tuya Smart. Open that up. It automatically says add. This is being added. Right now voltage is 233, the current amp and the power going in, and you can turn it off by pushing the button. Charging mode is real-time charging. Current, you can change it from 40 down to wherever. Fixed time charging, so you can save electricity. So yeah, after you're done with everything, push this button and you can pull this out. Just like that. Here's the button like this, and now you can apply the cap. So thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.